beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am with Nala.
Hello.
Nala B. She is going to be working on my edges. I've had a ton of questions about how I got my edges looking like they did on my Instagram. And for those of you who follow me know I have struggled with edges, okay? To the point I was like, I just don't care, I just let it be. I used to walk around like this. Nala was like, listen, I got you, girl. Let me show you what to do. So, since y'all requested it, I said, why not come on my YouTube channel and actually demonstrate on me so that you guys can pick up some tips. I should probably just come in a little closer and show you what my before. Before. Now that I know how to do edges, I'm wondering, how was I
living without it?
What was I doing with my life? How was I leaving my house looking the way I looked?
No control.
I had no control over my edges and no control over my life. That's what Nala always says.
If you don't have control of your edges, there's no control over your life.
I'm telling you, my sister, she keeps it straight.
Philosophical.
It's
problem.
philosophical. So she's going to sort it out and hopefully help my fellow sisters out there.
Let's do this.
Let's do it.
For the perfect edges, it's all about the right gel, the right comb, and the right technique. So you can go from comb to toothbrush and so on. I'm actually not depending on the tool that I'm using, but more
because I'm on a toothbrush situation
on
right now.
gel.
I've just started.
Yeah. If you feel more comfortable with a toothbrush, take a toothbrush. For me, this is the magic gel. And let me show you. It's also in a matter of quantity, how much you put.
And it smells so good. Okay.
So the first step is just like saturate your hair with the gel and pull them down, all the baby hair. Right, so we see what we're gonna work on, and now it's time to comb. So you just give the way as you want it to be. For me, it's really a matter of, it's a designing situation. So just give that way of, organizing all the hair, and then you just like create the movement that you want.
The motion.
Yes, and then you come back. It's really important to really organize the bottom ones, and then you just go all along. And I like to have the choice on the very last part to either play with the curl and design the curl with the gel, or just like do a wavy end. And this, you can just take the tip of your you just take the tip of your brush and you come to design. Can you imagine? Voila! And it doesn't take too much time.
Like seriously, like
And
what was
this
my
is
life
it.
about? This is okay, wait. The before and the after.
Yes.
Hey!
Before, after.
I was instantly upgraded. I love it. It's gorgeous. So I'm gonna let her do the other side because
You cannot say like that.
you know.
So even when you rush in the morning, there's no excuse not to do your edges, because it really literally take 1 minute.
And this thing smells so good.
Yeah, and also, as I said, it's very important to choose a gel that respects your hair. This one is alcohol free. I'm using it for over like 10 years now. Yeah, I've been the pioneer of baby hair back then.
I love it. Your gel should respect you.
Yes, I'm a mentor.
Respect my hair.
And no matter how coarse your hair are, it's not about the texture of your hair. It's really about being able to control the movement of your edges. So when you put the gel, you realize that your hair are more maneuverable. So you can also, like, when you finish, to add your gel, and if you feel that there's too much, just dab with a tissue to get rid of the excess. This one is not flecking. It was one of the questions that we got from the people who saw my video of the edge control. Get control over your edges. Get control
Over my life.
Because then your life will be in control. Control your life. Control your edges. Oh my God! I should.
You can tell she was really feeling herself in that moment. She was really getting into it. But yeah, it doesn't flake. And I can attest to that. And when I wash it off, my hair just feels so nice.
Soft, smooth, and voila.
It's a wrap. My edges are done. I'm finally in control of my life.
Yes.
Yeah, so try these tips. And she had a couple of these, but she sold out the day I posted.
Yeah.
So hopefully she'll get some more. You'll get some more.
Yes, I will.
I'm talking about her like she's not here. Hopefully she will get some more. So when she does, I'll post it on my Instagram, and she'll post it too.
Yeah.
But I will leave her link in the description box, so follow her on Instagram and watch her video. She has a video on edge control as well. I'll put the link down below.
Below.
We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.